Are you an expert at search engine optimization, SEO? If so, you could make money online by offering SEO consulting services to businesses and website owners. Here's how. First, create a website or online profile to showcase your skills and experience in SEO. Make sure to include examples of your past work and any certifications or awards you have received. Next, start networking with potential clients by attending industry events, joining online forums and groups, and reaching out to businesses directly. Once you've established your reputation and gained some clients, you can start offering your services, which may include keyword research, website optimization, and content creation. By providing high-quality SEO consulting services, you can help your clients improve their search engine rankings and drive more traffic to their websites, which in turn can lead to increased sales and revenue. So if you're ready to turn your SEO expertise into a profitable online business, start building your online presence and networking today.